Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are talking barbecue food. The sun's come out and we're going to be making some vegetable kebabs today. I've got the barbecue ready, the sun's out, hopefully the weather's not going to change. We've got a nice tantalising marinade that I'm going to do for you today as well, and also refreshing salsa. So stay tuned. So before we get to it, please like, subscribe and share this video with others.
Okay, so let's get all our ingredients together then. We've got a lemon there, some olive oil, black pepper, we've got some jerk seasoning there, and also some barbecue sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of balsamic glaze to it as well. Right, so cut the lemon in half and squeeze all the juice out into the bowl, and you're going to get rid of those seeds as well there. We don't want those in there. Then add half of a teaspoon of jerk seasoning into the bowl and a good glug of the extra virgin olive oil. Then we're going to add a squirt or two of the barbecue sauce, or whatever you have there. Tomato ketchup would be good as well. Then a little bit of the glaze and some black pepper going in there. And give it a nice mix to get all the ingredients all together. Next, we're going to get our tomatoes and we're going to slice those thinly, and try using a sharp knife, not like me. And remove all the seeds and the watery bits. We don't need those in our lovely salsa that we're going to make now. Finely chop the tomatoes. Now we're going to move on to the cucumber, and I like to take off some of the skin so that it's not so chewy in the salsa. Also, be sure to take out all the seeds. You don't want that very watery inside the cucumber there, and that will alter the taste and the texture of your salsa that you make. And finally chop them. Move on to your peppers and do them in the same way, finely chopping them. Moving on to the onion. So you're going to peel and finely chop the red onion up to go with the rest of the vegetables. Place all your salsa ingredients into your bowl. Squeeze half a lime into your salsa. Add some maple syrup and a few sprinkles of salt and pepper. Add some balsamic vinegar and mix. And there you have it. Okay, let's prepare the kebabs. Make sure you soak your sticks overnight to soften them so they don't burn. Right, so I've prepared the vegetables here, as you can see, and now we're going to get ready to assemble them. There's no real way of doing this. It's just whatever you want to assemble first is fine. I tend to use something like a tomato or mushroom on the end, on both ends, so it just kind of looks appealing. So I've got my budding assistant, stroke editor, stroke camera girl, and she's going to have a go at doing these kebabs. Say hi.
Hi. I'm doing them in rainbow order.
Okay. Don't press it on there because you're going to put a hole through the foil. It's lovely. Remember, we need at least 3 plantains on each one, okay?
You need a plantain.
I love my plantain. Oops, double plantain. You're going to double it up. Okay.
Green.
Colours missing. Yeah, go on.
Get a green pepper and then a green, and then a plantain and then a green courgette.
Oh, okay.
It's a different rainbow order, but it's still a rainbow.
Yeah. Doing a fantastic job there. Looking forward to the barbecue?
Oh yeah. Yeah, she's gonna do it on the barbecue.
Yeah, on the drum.
That's
Now you're going to coat your vegetables with the marinade, making sure that you brush all of the in-between bits. Now you're going to turn them over and do the same on the other side. Hi guys, I'm in the garden now, and look at the lovely kebabs that we prepared earlier, and they're ready to go on this barbecue. It's not barbecue weather, unfortunately, but never mind, it's English weather. So we're going to put them in the barbecue now. Here we go. Alright, just going to pop them on like that. Can you get that? Oh, they look good. They're going to be so nice. There we go. Oops. Tomatoes come off the end of that one. Ow! Very hot. Alright, so we've got our cauliflower as well. We're going to pop those on. And then later on we're going to baste them. We baste the other. We're going to put them at the side. I don't want them to burn. And there we have our lovely cauliflower slices there. And these are going to be absolutely delicious. There we go. We'll be back to baste them in a bit. The sun's come back out, guys. We're just about to turn the kebabs to see how they're getting on. They might not be done yet, but let's see how we're getting on, okay? Have a look. Right, now, let's see if we can turn these. Yeah, these look okay so far. Yeah, get in there. We're going to take our time with them. We don't want them to burn. And the cauliflower. Cauliflower is taking its time. I did put some baste some marinade on them, the same one that I used for the kebabs. So we're just gonna take our time with them. We don't want them to go too fast and burn. Okay, we'll be back. Right guys, so I'm just popping a little bit more of the marinade onto it, and they're looking absolutely beautiful. Look at all the colours of the rainbow there, absolutely fantastic. Look at the cauliflower, beautiful. That's going to have such a lovely smoky flavour when it's done, absolutely beautiful. There we go. You must baste your food, otherwise it will dry out. Alright, going to have that lovely smoky flavour. I'm just about to add some corn to the mix, because I forgot to do that. That shouldn't take too long. There we go. Alright, we'll be back when it's on the plate. Okay guys, so this is it. Beautiful vegetable kebabs, salad, barbecue cauliflower with a cheesy sauce, rice and peas, gravy. Done.